So the solar PV and battery course is a course that's made for practicing electricians that are planning to move into the renewable energy sector, and they're looking to introduce solar PV and battery into their business. The course is a 5-day course. It takes place in the classroom with written and practical aspects, with 1 day of written assessment and a day of practical assessment too. With the country looking to move towards a greener and more sustainable energy source and net zero goals, the prospects for business are quite high at the moment. It can be a very lucrative industry for a company to look to move into as well.
We make the course as accessible as possible. Our trainers will guide you and support you through the full process, from those who are familiar with the technology to those who know nothing about the renewable sector from an electrical point of view. We will support you all the way.
I guess it depends on who you are, but personally I always like to have personal development. And I like to sit at a certain level. I always like to look at the next step, because I find if I don't do that, I'll get frustrated in where I am. If you believe in renewables, I would say go for it. It's definitely an industry that's going to be growing in the next few years. There's definitely going to be a lot of government funding behind it as well, so there's a lot of opportunities for people to definitely make a lot of good money, and stable money as well, because it's going to be going on for decades at this stage. So if you want to sort of branch away from your normal domestics or commercial, yeah, it's pretty good. Well organised, good facilities, good lecturers, so can't complain.
If anyone was unsure about where to go to undertake solar PV, battery storage, EV, I would say come and look at our facilities, look at the experience that you would actually gain here, talk to the staff. We'll give you an insight into exactly the key foundation skills that we'll give you and the qualifications that you'll ascertain when you leave.